In this video we are going to customize our profile. At this moment our profile is pretty strange. It says tester here. It's just a little bit strange and there's no picture there, and we prefer to have a picture, and maybe our test profile should look a little bit better than this. So we click on this down arrow next to the little picture frame and we click on profile, and it will bring you to this page where you can change your user details. Okay, so I'm going to click on edit profile, and now I can see first name is Tester, second name is Tester. Now this doesn't work very well for me, so let's change the surname to something a little bit more appropriate. I like, say, tester facilitator, and our name test facilitator. Got your email address in there. That's all these little asterisks show that it's required, that you need to put them in. Then your email display to allow every course member to see your email address. You can hide it, you can pick which one of this you want, which town you're in, select which country you're in, and your time zone. Then there's a description if you want to tell everybody a little bit about yourself. That would be, I'm a professional facilitator for robotics, and I've been busy with robotics now for 16 years and something like that. That's what you can type in here just by starting to type. I am testing this course at the moment, like that, at the moment. There we go. I'm testing this course at the moment. And then obviously we can put in a picture, so let's put in a picture. There are some pictures. Let's okay, I think we're going to use this picture. We draw it in there. Okay, and then we close it, and when you're done with it, facilitator, well, hopefully your facilitator is not a monkey. And then you update your profile. So bingo, look there. Now you've got a little monkey there and a little monkey there, and it's test facilitator, and hopefully your test facilitator is not a monkey. So that's how you change your details of your profile.